Unless you drive a classic, your car will probably come with standard speakers, a CD player and an amplifier. Improving the sound of a complete sound system is not easy, but JBL found a way to optimize the sound of an installation in just 10 minutes. It's a box, a new system that installed between the source and the speaker allowed the user to personalize the car stereo and to adjust the components separately. Truly modern approach, works with any head unit. Powerful DSP combined with built-in H-channel amplifier. Easy to use, best sound. For those reasons, the JBl MS8 is the best European integration system of this year.